The digital video of the Duplo System 4000, single tower with 400 booklet maker, 400T trimmer, extended conveyor. This video is being done for Greg. Okay, Greg, this is what we got here. This is the finished size of the 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. We're running it at 10 by 4 3/4. That way, when it folds it down and then it trims it off, you'll have a finished booklet size of 4 3/4. I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. As you can see right there, 4.76, that's a 100th of an inch over 4 3/4. I could drop it down lower if you want me to, which actually I will right here. So it's just under 4 3/4. You're not going to hit 4 3/4 on the head. This goes even numbers all the way up. And then you can see the booklet maker size here. Kind of hard to see there, but it says 10 by 4.7. It means to say 4.75. It just doesn't put that last 100th of an inch in there. I've got this front open up here so you can see. What we have to do here is, with the new belts and the rollers and everything else, this is going to work out great. As this gets a little older, you're probably going to have to change belts a little more often, but you can continue to run. But the biggest problem you have with doing sizes this small is getting it through this front section here. That's why the cover's off. I wanted to show you this. As it comes in, if your belts are slipping any bit, if your rollers are slipping any bit, it'll turn a little bit and it'll jam up the entire time. With everything being new right now, it's not going to be a problem. Not entirely sure. We are running 80-pound stock, but I'm not sure what you're printing, how it's going to turn out. You may have to change every million, may have to change every 2 million. I'm not sure, but as soon as your books start turning sideways, you're going to have to change belts. We're going to go ahead and start the run now. We have the 7 signatures of 4 3/4 by 10 inches, which will give you a finished size of 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. We'll begin our run now. See the bends lift. They'll lower back down. The air blast turns on, and it's going to lift up until it blows air into each of the sheets and trips the actuator. In a second, you're going to see them start coming down the set here. Again, kind of hard to see because the paper's small. Here it is being jogged, stitched, exiting the stitcher and into the folder, exiting the folder, into the trimmer, and finally onto the conveyor. Nice thing about this extended conveyor is you don't have to go ahead and clear it off right away.